Good Tuesday morning, everyone. We are on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer to talk about today's market action. And Jim, stocks are up, but of course many companies are complaining about...
I'm worried. Look, there's two markets. There's companies that have raw costs and that are going up, and people are uncertain whether they can raise price. And then there are companies that don't have raw costs, and those companies are doing well. So you have the Alphabet and Friends, Facebook, Amazon. They don't have the raw cost problems. And on the other hand, you've got companies like Whirlpool and Kimberly that do have raw cost problems. ITW yesterday. And when I look at this and I say, well, there's a very big dichotomy. Now, what happens is if interest rates go higher, in part because of inflation, amazingly, the money goes back to the banks. So you have the finance stocks doing well. You have the tech stocks doing well. And you have the industrials doing poorly. And I think that's worth noting.
And the other thing to note, and you talk about this from real money, is companies like Alphabet, have billions of people that want to use their product.
Yeah,
Kimberly-Clark doesn't have that.
No, they don't. And Alphabet really has this. A lot of people want to talk about the gross margins. They want to talk about the TAC, the cost of acquisition. What I want to talk about is the opportunity. The opportunity is gigantic, and we'll have more of that on our program for the club members.
ActionAlertsPlus.com. Please join us.
Remember, we have a show. We have two shows. We do this free show, and then for club members, we do a special show where we drill down on the stocks that we own. So if you join the club, you get access to the second video, which I think is very poignant.
Yes, it comes in conjunction with the bulletins that folks get on ActionAlertsPlus.com. Meanwhile, Jim, we don't want to give too much away about 3M because, again, we will talk about it in our Action Alerts video.
I mean, look, I will say only that I think it was absurd when it was down 7. How about that?
Okay, we'll leave it there. Jim, you had the CEO of Hasbro on last night.
Yeah, look, I mean, this is one where this was the first quarter coming out of the Toys R Us downturn. And all I want you to do is go look at what happened to Sports Authority and Nike. People felt that when things started turning, they kept selling Nike, but it just got better and better and better. And it's going to get better and better and better for Hasbro, particularly because Mattel's not doing well.
And Jim, you said on air last night that you were expecting some price target raises from the analysts on Hasbro.
And look, the stock's doing well.
And we got those price target raises this morning. Jim, who do you have coming up on Mad Money tonight?
I have Centene. It's been the best performer in the health insurer business, and it's down 5. We got to find out what that's about.
Okay, we'll be watching that tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern on CNBC. Jim, as you mentioned, we'll continue talking about stocks on ActionAlertsPlus.com.